Hi there. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're talking about something super important, work planning. Whether you're a student, a professional, or anyone with tasks to juggle, planning your work can make a huge difference. Imagine this, a cluttered desk, papers everywhere, chaos. Now, imagine it transformed into an organized workspace where everything has its place. That's the power of planning. 1. Set clear goals. Start with knowing what you want to achieve. Big or small, write down your goals. Clear goals give you direction and motivation. For example, if you have a project due in a month, break it down into smaller tasks. It makes the big project less overwhelming and more manageable. Set clear goals. Step 2. Prioritize your tasks. Not all tasks are equal. Some are urgent, some are important, and some are both. Use a to-do list and a calendar to keep track of what needs to be done and when. One helpful method is the Eisenhower matrix. Divide your tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and not urgent or important. Step 3. Manage your time wisely. Use techniques like the Pomodoro technique, where you work for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. This helps you stay focused and prevents burnout. Remember, it's also important to take care of yourself. Regular breaks, healthy snacks, and a bit of exercise can boost your productivity. Step 4. Review and reflect. At the end of the day or week, review what you've accomplished. Reflect on what worked and what didn't. Adjust your plan accordingly. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. This keeps you motivated and ready for the next challenge. So, there you have it. With clear goals, prioritized tasks, smart time management, and regular reviews, you can master work planning and achieve your dreams. Remember, planning is your key to success. Stay organized, stay focused, and stay positive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on staying productive and achieving your goals. See you next time.